In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog on Webflow. So start by opening up your project. Then next at the top menu, click on CMS. And beside CMS collections, click on the add button. So here in collection templates, choose blog posts. Now customize your blog post's settings. And once done, click on create collection. And here you can start creating your blog by pressing the new blog post button at the top right. Start filling out the basic information such as name, slug, and add custom fields. Then press create draft to save it as a draft. And if you're ready to publish it on your site, of course, make sure that your site is published. And now click on the publish now button. And from there, you can now add new blog posts through the CMS panel and they will automatically appear on your blog pages. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!